Yeah, hi everyone. If you want to learn test complete automation tool and if you want to do certification in test complete, you can follow the steps that I'm going to show you now. Basically, test complete is an automation tool which can be used for automating web, mobile, and desktop applications. Along with that, it will also support the SAP and Oracle based applications. And the test complete allows you to write the scripts by using the record and playback mechanism, right? So I'll show you how to learn the test complete as well as getting the certification. Okay. So first, what you have to do is go to the website smartware.com, and in the resources, click on Academy. So here in the product, you can choose test complete. So Smartware supports many of the different tools, many of the different products. So whatever you wanted to learn, you can choose that one. So I'm going to discuss about test complete. Okay. So in the test complete, once you choose the test complete, click on the certified courses. Okay. So these are the different courses that you can click on it and you can prepare for this course. At the end of the course, there will be an exam which you have to take to get the certification. Okay, there will be a pass percentage also. Okay, for example, click on the desktop automation. So before that, as I mentioned, it supports Oracle applications and then web automation, desktop, mobile, and SAP applications, right? So these are the different applications it supports. Okay, let's click on the desktop automation engineer if you want to learn that. Okay, and then click on the start course. So you must have a account for Academy Smartware. If you don't have, you can sign up, or if you already have it, yeah, enter your email and password to log in. So here you can see desktop automation engineer. This is what we have selected. Okay, and you can just click on the start button. So here you can see that there are 10 different lessons. So there are 10 lessons. At the 11th lesson, you can take the exam. So the exam is 30 minutes and 10 questions. So different course has different available time and the number of questions. It will vary. And also different exams has different criteria of pass percentage. It depends on the course that you are taking. Okay. So for this desktop automation engineer and for this, if you want to get the certification, so this is the criteria. Okay. You can start the exam, so you can start the exam only after learning all these lessons. Once you complete all the 10 lessons which are mentioned here, then you take the, as a 11th step, you can take the exam and pass the exam. So if you can get 80% correct answers, they will be sending you a certification. You can able to download immediately. Okay. So that's about learning the test complete automation tool and getting the different certifications in different automations.